Hi, today I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth connection problem for desktop and laptop. So let's get started. First, we can check in here the settings is on or off. So this is my desktop, so we cannot see the setting in here. So we can go the wall settings. And you see devices, and click in here and you see Bluetooth and others devices. Just going to click in here and Bluetooth. This see my desktop Bluetooth connection not working. So now going to fix. Step 1, I am going to service type. And you see in here Bluetooth 3 options: Bluetooth audio gateway service, Bluetooth support service, Bluetooth user service. So I am going to fix one by one. Just double click in here. Startup type going to set an automatic. Just apply and OK. And then second, automatic, apply and OK. And last, automatic. This start, click in here and then apply and OK. So this setting is done. Step 2, now going to troubleshoot problem. Going in here and click additional troubleshoot problem. And go Bluetooth fix. Run troubleshooters. Next, close the troubleshoots. I think this fix, so we will check. This way you can fix your Bluetooth connection problem easy way. So thank you.